Hi, Chergafab here. Today we will look at a new date picker slicer. This video is a bit shorter. I have a longer video with more explanations, but it took 20 minutes. Not everyone have this kind of time. So let's get going. This new date slicer is in public preview as of June 2026. So it's brand new for now in June 2026. But for some developers, it's really game changer and for some reports. So developer might still choose to use it. And let's get going. So here you can see that this report was published with Slicer as this month. We can go to the date range option. So this icon gives you different options. You can choose manual and click apply. So you have manual range. Manual range can change. You can change from which year you want to go and change any period. The most important to remember is that you need to choose starting date first. So if you go choose end date and then start date, it doesn't work. Choose start date, end date, and click apply, and you have your filter. This filter will be static. It's always manual. It will always stay the same. For example, if you choose a bookmark and save it, it will always go to this specific date filter that you chose, this specific dates. But if we go to relative dates, here we have a bit more customization. So this was what we had chosen previously. It's this month. And if we go to the different options, we have date in there. This last next month, day, week, and year choose. You can choose from first day, last date, and you can choose to offset. So if we go to the last, we can choose several months, for example. And another interesting point that you can choose months, and it will give you the date from today. Today is 15th of June. So it went from today, last 3 months. But you have an option of calendar months. Then it will it will stop at the May, which is the last full month, and go to the last 3 full months. So this is the same for weeks and the same for years. This will show you full or from this date. What is this? Is today, is from today, and first date we will not have anything in the last. We will go to the next. So we can see the first date will choose what you have from the first date of your data set till what you choose. So here we can see in the next month from the first date that you have for this date column that you're looking. And the last date is the same, so we don't have anything in next. So we go to the last. So we can see that the last date is the 6th of December in my specific data set. And it shows 1 full month. And here is in the last 2 months from the last date. And if we go back to today, so here, last 2 months is this. Let's go to the calendar months so it's easier to see. Last 2 months from, so it's April and May, from the 1st of April till the 31st of May. And what is offset? Offset gives you ability to change from where you want to see. So if it's -1, we end in April instead of May. As well, you can go forward. So it depends on what you want. You can offset forward instead of backwards. In the last month, offset by 1 calendar month. If you offset by 1, for example, last calendar month from today, so it will be 2 months before. In the last calendar month, offset by 1 calendar month. So it's like 2 months before. And as usual, you can add bookmarks with 2 months before. And what is the most important is that you can see this icon. This icon means that this is static date range. It will never change depending on anything. So this is static calendar. This gives you the relative. So it will always show 2 months before. Even when we move from June to July, it will show you the full May, not the full April. So when you see this icon, this means that it's a relative date. The same with the initial that report was published. This month will always update. When we move to July, it will be July. That's the main interesting point about this particular date slicer, that you can use it as relative and you can use it as manual. You don't have to have several slicers. And the other thing that you need to remember, if you have this slider, if you choose it, then if you even a bit change it, then it goes back to the date manual. So you can see that it was manual date now instead of relative date. So if you save it to your bookmarks or keep it like this, then it will not update automatically. To update automatically, it needs to have this icon. And if you remove everything, then you can go back to update it or go back to the update that outer default view created using this button. Thank you.